Ratan Tata was born in Mumbai during the British Raj into a Parsi Zoroastrian family on 28 December 1937. He was the son of Naval Tata. In 1948, when Tata was 10, his parents separated and he was subsequently raised and adopted by Nawajbai Tata, his grandmother and widow of Ratanji Tata. Tata studied at the Champion School, Mumbai until 8th grade. He then continued his study at the Cathedral and John Cannon School in Mumbai, the Bishop Cotton School in Shimla, and the Riverdale Country School in New York City, from which he graduated in 1955. After high school, Tata enrolled in Cornell University, from which he graduated with a bachelor's degree in architecture in 1959. In 2008, Tata gifted Cornell $50 million, becoming the largest international donor in the university's history. In the 1970s, Ratan Tata was given a position in the Tata Group. In 1991, J.R.D. Tata stepped down as the chairman of Tata Sons, naming Ratan Tata as his successor. During the 21 years Tata led the Tata Group, revenue grew over 40 times and profit over 50 times. When he took over the company, sales overwhelmingly comprised commodity sales, but at the end of his tenure, the majority of sales came from brands. He had Tata Tea acquire Tetley, Tata Motors acquire Jaguar Land Rover, and Tata Steel acquire Chorus. He also imagined and spearheaded the development of the Tata Nano car, which helped put cars at a price point within the reach of an average Indian consumer. Upon turning 75, Ratan Tata resigned his executive powers in the Tata Group on 28 December 2012. Sir Ratan Tata was a supporter of education, medicine and rural development, and considered as a leading philanthropist in India. Tata Education and Development Trust, a philanthropic affiliate of Tata Group, endowed a $28 million Tata Scholarship Fund that will allow Cornell University to provide financial aid to the undergraduate students from India. In 2014, Tata Group donated 950 million rupees to the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, which was the largest ever donation received in its history. Ratan Tata received the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2008, the third and the second highest civilian honours awarded by the Government of India. Ratan Tata never married and had no children. Tata was admitted to Breach Candy Hospital in critical condition due to dyspnea or the difficulty in breathing. There he passed away at 11:30 p.m. on 9th October 2024 at the age of 86 due to age-related issues including low blood pressure. Following his death, the Government of Maharashtra and the Government of Jharkhand announced a day of mourning. On 10th October, Tata was given a state funeral. His coffin was given a military salute as it was being taken to his funeral. He received a 21-gun salute at Worli Crematorium during his last rites, honoring his contributions to India. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe.